This program contains scenes of nonsensical garbage and coarse language and is intended for a mature audience. Viewer discretion is advised.
Why, hello, my little trash bags. How are you? I'm doing fantabulous. Why? Because I bought some shit and I want to unbox it. So let's unbox it together. We are secret hunting because I bought the full set of the Twinkle Twinkle, what the f is your name? Be a Little Star series. And I do have one of these already from the collection. I have the Magical Chef and I wasn't going to get any more, but then I thought to myself, I need to have all of them. I need to have all of them. I really want the alligator one, and I really like the bad temper one because I have a bad temper. I also like baby ice pop. The haircut's kind of fun. Wake Up Sleepyhead is really cute. And yeah, I was just gonna give the Magical Chef to my mom because she also likes Twinkle Twinkle, and you know, I like making my mom a hoarder as well. So I did purchase this through StockX. Yes, these are real and legit, and I'm happy to say I did not pay full retail price. Now you can purchase these in Pop Mart, but I recommend looking at StockX if you want a series like this, because why pay full price? Why pay full price when you can get a percentage off? I'll put down how much I spent. I don't remember, but I'll put it down below there. I feel good about that. And yeah, without further ado, let's look at some stuff. Okay, let's see. Am I gonna get lucky? Am I gonna get the secret? Ooh, the secret looks fun. I really do want the secret. Best case scenario, I don't get Magical Chef and I get the secret, and then I'm sorry, Mom, you're but if that means that I have to get rid of one, then I guess haircut, even though haircut's kind of, it's growing on me, it's kind of fun. I guess if I didn't get him, I don't know, we're gonna find out. But I think this one's unfortunately gonna be Magical Chef. Only because I feel like I'm hearing that phone. I think it's gonna be Magical Chef. Let's see if I'm right. No, I was so wrong. Oh, I didn't even think about this. Okay, so hold on, let me show you the card first. You are so cute. Okay, so this is the Wake Up Sleepyhead. Look how fun that card is. Shut the f up. Also, it kind of looks like he has two little titties on the top of his head. Makes me think of Little Nicky. Remember that movie? Yeah. It kind of reminds me of that. And if you know, you know. But he's so cute. He has a little clock on. He has a little red nose and he has little crazy ass green eyebrows. Whatever. Okay, baby is feeling himself. All right, no judgment here. Oh, he's so cute. And he has a little blue poof tail. Oh, I love this. Oh my God, he is so. You are so cute. You know, I kind of go back and forth about their little red faces because sometimes like they look really red and drunk. And then sometimes they just look perfect like this one. And he's so perfect. You are perfect. Okay, he's perfect. Okay, I am not lucky so far today. I don't know, maybe I am. Let's see. Okay, I think, hold on. They all feel the same now, damn it. I think this one's going to be, I feel like it's gonna be Baby Ice Pop. If not, it's gonna be Bad Temper. Feel it in my gut. Let's go with Baby Ice Pop. Oh! Oh no! Oh, he's so cute. Okay, so this one's the haircut. You are shocked. I love it. You don't love your haircut. You also have a little springy guy in here. Oh, you're fucking cute. Oh, he's cute. Much cuter, I would say, than on the box. I don't know, like the box is cute, but like he looks so fun. Oh my God, I love it. Oh, he has like a little perm. And in the card, it kind of looks like his hair's popcorn, which is kind of funny. But he's super cute. The only thing though is I feel like this is going to be kind of a rat's nest if I take him out a lot. So kind of based off of that, it makes me like less likely to like have him leave the house. And I don't love that because I like rotating my little plush guys. But like when they seem kind of sensitive like this, I'm scared that, you know, they're just going to look like a little rat's nest. Nobody has time for that. Nobody. But he's cute though. The alarm clock I think is a little bit cuter, but he's still cute though. Okay, I am so off base today. All right, so who are we missing? We're missing the Magical Chef, Lose a Tooth, Baby Ice Pop, and Bad Temper. I think this one's going to be Baby Ice Pop. Watch it be Magical Chef. Bitch, it is not any of that. Oh my God, I was so off base, but he is hands down my favorite, my absolute fucking favorite. Look at him, almost lose a tooth. Oh my God, you are quintessential Florida. I know I literally, and I don't know in the order that you're gonna see this, but there's like another Twinkle Twinkle set that is very Florida. And this actually should belong to that set because you are a little Florida baby. Oh my God, look how cute he is. I love his little tail. Oh, you could kind of move his tail a little bit. That's kind of fun. You are a gentleman, okay, sir? You are a gentleman. So here's the lose a tooth card. So cute. Oh, you are absolutely my favorite. Oh my God, look at him. I love him. I love this. I love Twinkle Twinkle. Like, he is just so cute. I'm on the, well, again, I don't know when the fuck you're gonna see this because I may or may not have purchased the new set that's coming out. They keep teasing it. It's like a Valentine's Day one. I'm on the fence about it. Probably gonna buy it. I know me. I know me. But so cute. Love Twinkle Twinkle. All right. So far, horribly wrong. Haven't guessed one right. Now we're on to the last three. I don't feel very lucky for our secret hunting. So I don't think, I'm not even going to put that in my mind. But I do think this one's going to be, this is heavy. Not really. Never mind. God damn it. Okay, I don't know. All right, I think this one is going to be, I want to say this one's going to be Bad Temper. Watch it be Baby Ice Pop. Watch it actually be Magical Chef. Bitch, I was right. Okay. Oh, I needed a win. Oh, and he has a little popsicle stick. Oh, he's cute. Oh, he's absolutely stunning. You are a stunning little gentleman, okay? He's so cute. I can't even stand you. I love him. Look how fun he is. Oh, I love his little happy belly. Ugly cry. Oh my God, I can't. These are so cute. Oh, I love his little, oh, he's like a little coffee. He reminds me of like, oh God, my grandparents had a candy store. Hence why I look like the way that I do. But my grandparents had a candy store growing up, and that's I learned how to make coffee. And my grandmother used to have like these white little styrofoam cups. And I used to make, you know, like hot coffee for the customers and stuff like that. He reminds me of like a little hot cup of coffee. And I love that. You're nostalgia, buddy. I love that so much for me. I love that for me. Okay, so we have two left. Finally got one right after many tries. And now we're down to, okay, I think this one's gonna be Magical Chef and I think this one's gonna be Bad Temper. So let's try Magical Chef. Watch it be the other way around. Ah, bitch. This is Magical Chef. He is super cute. He is really cute. And you're gonna go to my mom. Bye. He's cute though. I think when I first got this, I feel like maybe I was a little lukewarm, but he grew on me. Much like every Pop Mart IP. But no, he's super cute. But you're gonna get a good home with my mom. Okay, so this is either gonna be the secret or Bad Temper. In hindsight, now I want Bad Temper. I don't want the secret. But let's see. Yay! Oh! Oh yes, I'm sorry. You are fucking serving. Oh, that's my boy. No, all right. Oh my God. I think I need to bring this in meetings with me. When someone just talks, just be like, no, I'm not doing that. You are so cute. Oh my God, shut the f up. All right, so he's so adorable. Look at that little ass. We love that. Oh, little cone head. I can't. Oh, you are so cute. Oh my God, is this gonna fall off though? Oh no, good, it's sewn on. I was like, no. Oh, he's so cute. He's so cute. And then of course we have his little attitude right there. And you are Bad Temper. Just like your mother. All right, so let's see. Let's rank them, because I love doing that. Let's rank them. I think, you know, haircut's cute, but I feel like out of all of them, he's probably not going to get the most love because I'm afraid that his hair is going to get all just matted down and stuff. And yeah, I don't love that so much. But he is so, I feel bad even saying that because he really is cute. You know what? I probably would take him out when I'm going to the hair salon. Like, we're both getting haircuts today. And then the girl who does my hair could be like, you're a psycho. I'm like, I know. So yeah, but I think out of everybody in the set, I think there are other ones that are cuter, but he is adorable, but I think there are other ones that are cuter. So you're gonna be number 6. Doesn't mean I hate you. It means I love you, but you're not as exciting as the others. Then I'm gonna say Magic Chef. I think compared to the rest of the little critters, he's really cute. I do like that he has a little phone. He has a big ass bow on his ass. That's fun. But I think there are other ones in this set that are far cuter. So that's why he's going to be number 5. Number 4, this is where it kind of gets tricky. I'm kind of fighting back and forth between these two. The alarm clock is so cute. But I also love this little guy. What was your name again? You are Baby Ice Pop. He gives me like a nostalgia kick. I like that he has a little stick. That's kind of fun. And if my mom was here, she would actually rank this number 1 because she loves the word stick. Anytime she sees stick, she laughs uncontrollably. It's a fucking thing. If I call her right now and just say stick. Actually, hold on. Let's see if I can do that. Wait. Is she home?
Hey, Sid.
Hey.
What's up?
Nothing much. I have a stick.
What?
I'm recording a video right now. I'll send you a picture, but one of the little Twinkle Twinkle guys, he's holding a stick. And I was like, if my mom was here, she would rank this one number 1 because for whatever reason, the word stick makes her laugh. And I was like, you don't believe me? Let me call. And so that's why I was like, let me call you. Because I know if I just say stick, you're going to die.
You just call me a stick.
Well, I'm going to call you later today because I have time in the afternoon. But I just wanted to call you and I'll send you a picture of the little stick now.
Thank you.
No problem. Say goodbye.
Bye.
All right. Bye. I love you.
Love you too. Bye.
Bye. I wasn't kidding, okay? I wasn't kidding. That worked out so well. So for that very reason, I'm going to put the little alarm clock for number 4 and I'll put him for number 3. But the alarm clock is so cute though. I can't handle you. But yeah, the little stick will be number 3 because it makes my mom giggle. Now, 1 and 2, this is kind of hard because listen, they're both adorable and they're beautiful little boys and I love them both. Bad Temper is going to be number 2 because how can I say no to this little crocodile, okay? But number 2 is going to be him. I resonate with him. I think he's adorable. He's my sweet angel baby. I love you and I feel bad that I'm making you number 2, but you have to be number 2 and I love you. So he's gonna be number 2 because number 1, look how fucking precious he is. He's so cute. And look at that little crocodile, little tail, and I love you so much and I feel bad that I had to rank any of you, but you're so cute though. Was that even English? Probably not. Anyway, now I want to hear from y'all. Okay, let me know down below if you have the set. If you do, which ones do you have? Do you have them all? Do you have the secret? If you don't have the set, which one is your favorite one? I have my favorites, obviously. And also let me know if there is a word that literally you see it and it kills you every time and you just start laughing uncontrollably. Let me know. For my mom, it's the word stick. Anyway, I want to say thank you so much to my beautiful patrons and YouTube members for keeping this garbage boat afloat. I love your faces and I'll see you little garbage cans real soon. Bye.